Hi everyone, I'm doing a review slash opinions and thoughts and what fits in this bag. This is the Louis Vuitton Locky BB in the black monogram canvas, and I got her in December for Christmas. And yeah, I don't think I officially did like an unboxing. Stickers are still on it, and it's the gold hardware, and we're just going to talk about pros and cons, what fits, and my review. First of all, one pro I love is the matching hardware. If you are a Louis Vuitton purchaser, shopper, lover, what have you, you know that not every Louis Vuitton item has matching hardware, which is unfortunate for such a big luxury fashion house. But I mean, it kind of comes just how it is. For their higher ticket items, like $2,000+ items, those do come with matching hardwares, but not all of them. So anyways, this does have matching hardware. I love the top handle with the shoulder strap that's adjustable and detachable. Very convenient. I did wish that it had like some sort of back pocket here, but it doesn't, and that's fine. This particular one, I like the magnetic closure, how strong it is. Like, so definitely the magnetic closure. I love the lock right here because it's not, from far away you can't tell that it's an LV logo. I mean, besides the monogram, but as far as the hardware goes, it's really nice. And I love the interior. It's super soft. I feel like it's kind of easy to clean because you can just take a microfiber, or not a microfiber, excuse me. You can just take a lint roller and just kind of, I just currently have a bunch of receipts inside. Use that to clean because it is felt. So I love that part of it. Interior wise, there's really not much of a compartment besides this slip pocket, and you can't really tell because it's black. So there's a slip pocket and then just like that. So cons for the bag. I don't like that this flops down like that. Maybe some people would like it. I personally don't. I like it to just be stationary and a little bit shorter maybe. Oh, another pro I forgot is that it does fit at the crook of your arm. So if you need it like that, it does fit. One con also is this is smooth, I think, calfskin leather. So it could be, which I don't really see any scratches on mine personally. And this is manufactured in 2019. So it's been holding up pretty well. But if you're more of a person that's not so delicate with your items, it could be a scratch prone leather. However, so far it looks good. I don't see any problems with it. It could be a pro and a con depending on your style. I personally think it feels very luxurious. Another con for me is how rigid these corners are. Because it is a tiny bag, it's not really scary to scratch up, but if it was in the bigger size, I would be more wary of the corners. Another thing is these right here, I don't know what these called, but you know, you see how it kind of like sewed in, so it does cut into the interior space of the bag itself. It doesn't fit very much. That's another con. If you are a person that has to fit plenty of things on a daily basis, it doesn't do that for you. For me, it's fine because as a necessity on a daily basis, I just need my phone, my keys, and my wallet. When I do have my daughter with me, I need my purses to at least hold a diaper, and this does hold a diaper, my phone, my keys, my wallet. Well, I'll show you guys. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. Now let's move on to the what fits inside. Right here I have a cosmetic pouch, and it can house keys, makeup, what have you. I have 3 sets of wallets right here. I have the Hermes Calvi, a Gucci card holder, and a Dolce & Gabbana card holder. all 3 of these would fit inside. If you're the person that carries, say, keys, your wallet, and then just the card holder for what have you, it fits inside. And I have the iPhone 14 Pro. It's not the Max, so you can see the Pro does fit. And because it is canvas, it's a little bit more malleable also, so those fit inside no problem. And let me see, is it deforming it? I guess a little bit at the top, but not too bad. And if you want to take out your phone and say take out 2 of these card holders too. And that fits just fine in there. And it's still so cute. I do love this style, so cute. Now let's move on to some mod shots. I am 5-ish for 11 sometimes, and size 12. This is how it looks on the longest setting. Crossbody. Crook of the arm. Quickly put it on the shortest setting. Shoulder. Crossbody, and it hits me where I kind of want it to hit, so like just below my waist. She's so cute. I like how versatile it is, that it can go from like day to night as well for date night. I hope you guys found this video helpful and enjoyed it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.